My life is a constant creative journey. My hot sauce side business adds quite some flavor and heat to my life. Together with my teammates, we provide some of the most advanced solutions for the sheet metal industry. But let's start from the beginning. I had a fable for spicy food. While I was looking for a job in 2015, I also started to produce hot sauce for myself in my local soccer club's kitchen. Soon after, I started participating in contests and won prizes, even against the very big brands in the market. That gave me quite a boost to continue. I've always been passionate about creating things, whether it's innovative solutions for our clients at Bystronic or experimenting with new flavors for my hot sauce recipes. With the flexibility given to me to follow my personal passion, I find a good balance between work and my free time, which I mostly spend down here in my lab. Hey, now that I think about it, in my position as a solution design engineer and a hot sauce entrepreneur, I see lots of parallels in how I approach things. First, there is a focus on innovation, of unleashing the creative power, and the second focus lies in customer centricity. Both businesses demand a bird's eye view on how to connect the dots. My job in the sheet metal industry is a bit more complex and demanding. Both professions require good project management skills, and you have to be a people person, because it's all about teamwork. Since quality feedback is so crucial for the solution design process, I invited some of my colleagues to try my best-selling hot sauce. Of course, I'm mainly interested in the feedback. Yep, let's just pretend it's expressions of joy. My name is Jean-Paul Peronace, and I am a solution design engineer at Bystronic in Switzerland.